Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're going to check out this. This is the carbon fiber looks for your around the shifter. And you can find this on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca. You can see it there. It's free shipping to Canada, US, and Australia, everywhere else. So this one fits the new facelifted Outlander, the 2025 model. And, obviously upwards when, if you look at the video at the later date. So the new facelifted model, this one here fits. And by the way, for US, I figure out all the tariffs. So you just place your order and that's it. So I handle everything on my end. So this one we can see the old body style had the cup holders right here. Now they move there. That's how we can see. This one here is, the new facelifted central console. So it's quite easy. So first we need to clean the surface, make sure there's nothing there, and then we just remove the double-sided tape and we just put it on like this, glue it on, and that's how we install it. And just keep in mind when you install it, your arm has got to be up like this because you need to align it right here, and then you can place it and call it a day. So keep in mind, it's all one solid piece. It's very important you take your time, you place it where you want to be, and then you apply it. It's a bit tricky, but you know what, let's get it done. Okay, let's see how we can do it. And again, with all these install things, it's super important you don't rush, you take your time and you'll be fine. So first, what we want to do is we want to find the perfect placement for it, because it can go a touch here and there. We have this e-brake part, we have this around the shift knob, we have it here. So we want to make sure that we find the perfect placement for it, so that way whenever we remove the double-sided tape, we will know that it's placed exactly where we want to be. And typically what we want to do is, let's say we want to line it up around the cup holder. So then we kind of like make sure it fits right here. We make sure every other part we're happy with, and then we're gonna sort of, when we put it on, we're gonna measure it against here. So again, your armrest is up because we have a bit of a bigger surface, and that's that. So right now I think I'm happy the way it is. And again, I just measured it around the cup holder and I'm happy with the other gaps, and now that's what I'm gonna do. So we're happy. Now drum roll, let's just remove the tape. Okay, and now it becomes very, very real, because once it's on, it's on. If you mess it up right here, you'll need to order another one. So now let's just find it again, that perfect placement, and it's very, very sticky now. So try it. Okay, like this. Yeah, exactly where we want. No, a little bit off, I think. Okay, see, even if like something slightly went sideways at this stage, you can still save it. But if you are pressing it too hard, then it's too late. So we also want to make sure it's fine around the e-brake part, because that's where obviously what we need on a daily basis. Okay, so there we go, placed it right here, placed it there. Now we want to make sure it's all nice and smooth. Okay, it goes around the edge here, there. Okay, so we wanted to make sure that this part is good, and also that around the cup holders is good, and everywhere else as well. Okay, so we do a little bit of pressure here, and that's how it looks. Okay, let's have a closer look right now on how did we do. And here it is. That's the end result on how we're looking. I gotta say, I really like this carbon fiber looks, and it matches really nicely with these seats. This is SE trim level that we're in, and the seats are right there, and this one goes well. Actually, with any trim level, it'll look really good. So we can see that the gloss part, we can see it a little bit here on the side as well. So just keep in mind, it doesn't wrap around the sides like that, so you'll be able to still see a little bit of a glossy part right here, and same thing on the other side, right? So it doesn't perfectly, you know, kind of like go around the edges to cover everything. So just keep that in mind, but it covers this area nicely. And again, when we installed, we want to make sure it's lined up nicely here, and it also doesn't block the e-brake part. So which you know, I first made a little bit mistake. I noticed that it's gonna block it. Then the second part I noticed it's gonna be fine. So there we go, that's the end result. We have beautiful carbon fiber central console install. That's how we're looking right now. Pretty good. So thank you so much, and again, you can place your orders at mrmitsubishi.ca.